Hello and welcome back to the Yacht channel. Today we will be unboxing the brand new 2018 MacBook Pro. So this is a 15-inch model. It has a 2.2 gigahertz 6-core i7. I'm so used to saying quad-core, but it's a 6-core i7. Has 16 gigabytes of RAM, the Radeon Pro 550X, and 256 gigabytes of lightning quick SSD storage according to their webpage. It is actually pretty fast, but so I'm just cutting off the plastic really carefully because of how expensive the machine is. I'm currently editing this on the machine, and I was so excited that, like in all my other unboxings, I didn't record any audio. Yay! So I have to do it all in post, which is fine. You know, it could be a little bit better. So here we go. Big reveal time. So they gave me a silver one, even though I asked for a space gray one. Make sure that you check the back of the box where it tells you the color, because I didn't, but didn't really faze me that much. At first I thought that we went home with the wrong computer, which is why I'm checking it. But turns out that they just misheard what color I said. Not really that big of a deal. I personally don't really mind. I like the silver just as much as I like the space gray, so doesn't really matter to me. And honestly, I just didn't even really want to drive back to the store for like another hour and then sit there. You guys gave me the wrong computer, and now I'm gonna give it back, and like whatever. It doesn't matter. So if you see off to the left there, those are the free pair of Beats that I got because I'm a student taking college classes right now. So here's the MacBook. I took it out of the wrap. We're gonna open it up, pull off the little screen protector thingy there, show you it boot up. As you can tell, my family's been walking around behind us. Everybody came to see the new MacBook because big purchase. So there it is. You can see the MacBook Pro text on the screen. Asked me for languages and whatnot. Keyboard's pretty nice. They say it's quieter because I don't really have a comparison. It sounds quiet. I don't know. It smells good. If you saw, I just smelled the MacBook. So yeah, this has just been an unboxing, and I forgot to open up the Beats, but they're pretty nice. They're Project Red. If you'd like to see more content like this, or want a review, I'm not guaranteeing that I'm going to buy really expensive stuff because that was really expensive. But if you'd like to see a review of the MacBook, let me know. There's going to be an upcoming unboxing of my keyboard. I just got to get a little adapter to plug in my SD card. Then there should be a new Minecraft series coming up, which I've been waiting to get a better machine to edit on because my PC is really terrible. So, that is all. I will see you all next time. Bye.